Welcome to Julia Scientific Programming. So at the start of this course, we need to talk a little bit about why Julia is special. What is it about Julia that makes it especially suitable for a beginner as well as for scientific programming in its broadest sense?
So this is a really brief little lecture comparing Julia with other programming languages and commenting on why Julia is easy to learn and in some technical aspects of Julia. I want to emphasize a combination of three aspects in Julia. The first is that Julia is easy to learn. No programming language is truly easy to learn. Relative to others, Python and MATLAB and Julia are quite easy to learn. If you consider a language like C, tasks executed in C run extremely fast, but it's not one of the languages that are easy to learn. Julia is a free language, such as Python, R, and Octave as well. MATLAB is not free. These three elements combine in Julia in a unique way. No other language is free and fast and easy to learn. So your choice of learning Julia is a really good one. Let me comment about why Julia is easy to learn. Programs in Julia require only a few lines per task. If you consider a language like C, and you consider a simple task such as opening a file and reading its data into computer memory, that requires a lot of detailed steps that you have to type out in your C program to exactly open the file in all its different details of all the different ways in which you can open a file and read its data into memory. In Julia, it's a one-liner. This is similar to Python and MATLAB. That's why it's easy to learn, because basically you have to learn how to write one line rather than many. What you get with C, because of all that detail, is that you can get the execution to be very fast. Python and MATLAB, the execution is slow. The reason Julia can run as fast, almost as fast as C, is that it has a very detailed type system, which we will comment on later on in the course. We should emphasize that it's not guaranteed that your programs will run fast. The principal techniques for making the most of Julia's capacity for high-speed execution is an advanced topic, which we will not cover in this course. Finally, some technical aspects of Julia. It is a strongly typed and dynamic language. This is unique. Python and MATLAB are also dynamic, and they are also easy to learn. The programs in them tend to be quite short. But they have fairly simple type systems. Julia has a detailed, intricate type system, and that is why it runs fast. In Lecture 6, we will talk about the type system. The dynamic aspect of Julia we pick up in Lecture 3. Functions in Julia have multiple dispatch. This is very convenient for developing code. We will develop some of these things in Lectures 8 and 9, where we learn about functions. Julia is ideal for the modern world of network computing. It supports parallel programming, it is concurrent, it deals very well with very large data sets. If you've got existing code in Python, in C especially, it's very natural to call those in Julia, so you can reuse your existing code. You don't have to rewrite it just because you start using Julia.